it's like a ceiling on your happiness where things aren't as good as you know they could be. And so that just puts up like a ceiling on like how happy you can feel and how relaxed and how joyful and connected you can be. So part of like being out here is like, it's like a bit of an exploration of like, what does it look like to like actually go intentionally try to elevate that ceiling. We are on our way down out of Citadel Pass, and we finally made it out of the fog and into sunshine, got our sunglasses on, t-shirts on, and next stop will be lunch at Porcupine. We did not play our cards correctly, and so got to Og Lake seriously dehydrated. We decided to stay safe and purify the water, and so we've been waiting for the last 30 minutes for this opportunity.
Time passes slowly when you're waiting.
Does it get better than that?
So today we went...
Come here.
1900.
Which is that saddle up there.
Very far.
Give us a thumbs up. 2 thumbs up.
Way-o!
Come on, Delta, come on. Two, one. We've been talking about the idea of a ceiling on our happiness, and for me, it is right about there. It's kind of ironic that to put yourself in the situation where you're elevating that ceiling of happiness, it's like actually not that easy, really. Like to get here, we drove 3 full days and then another, and like have hiked probably like 30 kilometers, and it's not easy to do that stuff. So that's like, for me, that's like the ironic, or not ironic, but like the part that I'm thinking about is like, why is it hard to be in a situation where you're happy? Like, what effort does it take? What do you have to do to become, or to put yourself into that? Like, what do you have to do to do happy?
We ate 2 dinners today because tonight is our last night. So all we have to do is hike down and out another 13K or something. And that's our trip done. I'm feeling a little bit snoozy and a little bit exhausted. But mostly pretty dang happy.